Okay, I have to smile for 3 seconds. Okay, so this is my net diagram. And this is my 3 different switches. And this is like, what is it?
Schematic.
Huh?
Some kind of diagram, whatever. I don't know.
Schematic, yeah. And then this is my project. Yeah. And then this is how it looks inside. This is like a curtain. This is like my theme was a designer, just like a model's room. So this is their clothes, and then a little mini runway, and then their bed. So how it works is there's like a battery here. So when you open the door, it goes off if a burglar comes in. Also, if the window, when you push it up, it goes off. And also same for here. And also, and then this one too. Now there I have 3 different switches. This one is grommet to grommet, and then this one is like grommet that's folded to metal stick thingy, and then this is a grommet to a paper clip. Okay, thank you people, bye.